when it comes to getting ahead. Everybody talks about how do I increase my income? That's great, and we will talk about that. But the first thing I want you to do, if you forget everything else we discussed today, just remember one thing. The way to get ahead with your finances is to spend less than you make. So spend less. If you want to increase your income, that's great. There are many ways to do that. I'm going to tell you how to do that. But really, the first thing we want to do is make sure that we're aware of our spending habits. Because I'll tell you something, I've been a financial planner in New York City for over 20 years, and I've worked with people who made over $1 million a year, $500,000 a year, 50,000 a year, 100,000 a year. And at the end of the day, when they're ready to retire, it doesn't matter how much money you were making per month or per year. What matters was how much you were saving. The guy who was making $60,000 a year, but I was able to put away 20,000 or 10,000 a year away into some sort of a, whether it's a retirement plan or just a savings account.